Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. Today I'm sharing a super fun project actually. This is called Mailbox Card, and it's a pop-up card with all of these amazing hearts. This project is using a couple of new products from iCrafter. iCrafter is having a launch of their December release today, so I wanted to pop in just sharing one of my favorite new products from their line. So you can see I cut 3 of this main portion of the mechanism here, and I will tuck one inside, and you can see I just scored one of the flaps there to make sure that I will have some distance between the layers inside of this. You could skip this altogether if you like, but I did it this way. Probably some easier ways to do it, but I just find that this worked really nicely for the card I created with these products. That is what is nice with dies, because you can take an idea and use it. You don't always have to use the product the exact way they are intended. So I really like that. But I use it, and you can see I have 3 layers inside of this box card. And for my in this die set there is a lot of hearts, as you can see in the first pictures of my video here, and I cut them out of this amazing beautifully patterned paper, and I just scattered them around. And I also wanted to mention that depending on how tall you make the hearts go here, they could actually risk to be ending up being too big for a standard envelope, but just make sure that you are keeping track on how high you are building this, and it should be no problem. I will say that I have no clue if this will fit inside of an envelope. I have it standing on my desk at the moment, and I am planning to give it to my daughter and hand delivering it to her on Valentine's Day. And I have to mention that I'm really happy being out and creating Valentine's project instead of Christmas projects. It felt fresh and happy just to use all of these bright colors. This is really my palette of colors, and I was inspired to create this project. And you can see the beautiful pattern papers that I used. I believe they are from Create Paper, maybe. I think so. It's an older collection. It's just something that I had in my stash, and you can use whatever you like. And I also took the little flag and cut it out of some teal paper, just to match the pattern paper that I used. I will fiddle around with it some, and actually on my finished product I will end up leaving it out. So for the front I used sentiment that comes in this set that says mail, and I just cut it out of some gold glitter cardstock, and I will hear it actually quite flat. I think it fitted this card beautifully. And I will also mention that for my hearts, for the front and the back layer, I use some acetate, that is just some recycled plastic, and attach one part to my card base, the box mailbox here, and one part to the heart, just to make them float above and beyond the hearts that we had straight down on the middle layer there. So it creates this amazing dimension, and I hope the camera is picking it up because it's really beautiful in real life. So here you go, a really simple Valentine's project to create, or maybe to give away. I had a blast creating this, and I hope you got inspired to create something similar. I will leave links down below for my blog post, and also for iCrafter's blog post, and you can see all the new release. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!